Okay, you made it to the end. All right, you made it to the end. You made it to the end of the first lecture. Okay, so what do you know? You know a little bit about the retail experience. You learned about consumer engagement, a little bit about value proposition. If you had the book, you learned about some sustainable retail practices as well. That was in part of the reading. But you have a recap of, why we display, number one, and then you have a good understanding of not just the jobs that are available in retail, but you have an understanding of some basic educational requirements. You know, a little bit of some networking techniques, but you have a good idea not just what the jobs are, but what it takes to get the job. So what kind of education and personality that you need to have a job in visual merchandising or connected to visual merchandising. All right, so that's where we are now. Next week is another story. Okay, so next week, moving forward, we're going again, this is an 8-week class, so we have to move at a faster clip. So next week we are going over sorry, I put the camera too close. Next week we're going over really just the design process and some elements and principles of design. So we'll be talking about color and texture, line, composition, light and lighting, because they're two different things. So really just the design process. So we're covering chapters 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, don't get afraid because I just told you 4 chapters, but chapter 2 starts on page 11 and chapter 5 ends on page 69. So it's only 59 pages to read. It's not as much to read. You will need your book by then, so make sure you get your book by then because, like I said, since we're moving at a fast clip, what's in the lecture isn't always what's in the textbook, and what's in the textbook isn't always what's in the lecture. And when I create the exams, all right, and the quizzes, when I create the quizzes, it's a combination of both. I pull from things that I only said in the lecture, and I also pull from things that are only in the textbook too. So it's really important that you read the book as well. Okay. All right. So you're done for now. You're done for now. So hopefully you got the complete orientation module done. You read the lecture. So next week we have 4 chapters that we're going to, sorry, you can't see it with my face. We got 4 chapters. We have 4 chapters that we're going to go over, and you will have your first discussion board related to our chapters. Okay. Have any questions? Hit me in the inbox. You can also visit me at visiting hours. The link is on the homepage, and I'll see you soon. Next week, my face will be on it. I like the fun stuff to start, but next week you'll get to see me and whatever my hair is doing that week. All right, see ya.